Two guys, same age, same starting salary 10 years ago, same city, same job title. Right now, one of them has $80,000 invested and a paid-off car. The other one has 12 grand of credit card debt and a slightly nicer apartment. Same salary, same city, same decade. The only difference between them was 8 boring money habits. And I'm going to give you all 8, ranked from easiest to hardest. By the end of this, you'll have 8 habits you can start this week. No apps, no side hustle. No get-rich-quick anything. Just 8 things that, run for 5 straight years, quietly build the entire difference between the two guys I just described. Pick 3 of them and ignore the rest. That's all you need to start. And the last one is the one most guys get wrong. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Every time money hits your account, paycheck, bonus, side income, anything, before you spend a single dollar, you move a percentage into savings or investing. If you're broke right now, start at 1%. Yes, 1. It's tiny on purpose. The goal isn't the number, it's the habit. Automate it the day the money comes in, so you never touch it, never see it, never decide again. Because if you wait to save what's left over at the end of the month, nobody has ever gotten rich saving what's left over. There is never anything left over. That's the whole trap. Habit 2, any purchase over $100 gets a price check first. 60 seconds on your phone. Not to save a fortune, the average savings is small, but to break the impulse. That 60-second pause is where you catch yourself buying something you didn't actually want. And once you do it a few times, you start noticing how much of what you almost bought is just boredom, or a bad mood, or a rough week, dressed up as a need. Half the time you'll close the tab and never think about it again. Habit 3. When you get a raise, the first 3 raises of your career, you keep your lifestyle exactly the same. Same apartment, same car, same weekend spending. Every extra dollar of the raise goes straight to savings or investing. This one is the whole game. Most guys blow every raise on upgrades because it finally feels like they can. 10 years in, they've got a nicer apartment, a leased car, and no wealth. The guy who took his first 3 raises straight to the market, he's already free. Nobody sees him do it. That's the point. Now, here's the truth about those first 3. They don't feel like anything. That's why they work. If money advice feels exciting to do, it's probably going to lose you money. Boring is where the wealth actually lives. Nobody makes a movie about it. Keep going. Habit 4. Once a month, book an hour with yourself. That's the whole thing. 1 hour. Coffee shop. Phone on, do not disturb. Open every account you have. Bank, credit card, investing, subscriptions, the whole picture. Notice where the money actually went last month. Notice where it should go next month. Cancel one thing that no longer earns its place. Move any spare cash into your investing account. Write down one number you want to move by next month. That's it. 60 minutes. 12 times a year. 240 minutes of your life. Compounds forever. Habit 5. 3 accounts. Not 1. Not 5 apps. 3 accounts. First one, checking. The account bills come out of. Second, savings. Sits at a boring bank. Hard to move money out of on purpose. Third, investing. A low-cost broad index fund account that contributes automatically every month. Money flows in one direction only, from your income into the 3 in fixed percentages you decided once. You never mix them. You never move money the wrong way. Simple beats, sophisticated with money, every single time. Habit 6. Every 3 months, kill one recurring bill, just one. The streaming service you barely open, the software subscription you forgot you signed up for, the gym you haven't been to since March. Delete one. 4 a year, 4 years running, is 16 quiet leaks fixed. And most guys are burning $300–400 a month on subscriptions they don't consciously use. That is a full extra vacation every year, just gone into somebody else's bank account. Kill one, every quarter, forever. I used to know a guy who did his money hour on the first Saturday of every month. Nothing dramatic. Cheap coffee, a notebook, 1 hour, then he was done. In 8 years, he'd quietly built more than most guys I knew. With fancy trading apps and stock pick newsletters and market opinions, boring habit, run for a long time, beat every clever thing I ever tried in that same window. Not close. Moving on, habit 7, every dollar you can, buy assets, not certificates. What that means, $500 in a broad index fund will beat $500 in almost any course, coaching program, or system you can buy on the internet over any 5-year window. Long enough for the fund to compound and the guru's promises to expire. Buy the thing that pays you, not the thing that promises to teach you how the guy selling it got paid, especially when you're just starting and your money is scarce. Assets first, always. Habit 8, and this is the one most guys get wrong. There is one kind of purchase you almost never regret. Health, tools of your trade, and education you can actually apply within a month. A doctor visit you've been putting off. A good pair of work boots. The specific piece of software your job or side hustle runs on. A short course tied to a specific skill you'll use next Tuesday. These are not spending. These are investing in the person who earns the money. Cut everything else if you have to. Never cut those. The guys who get this backwards spend on the visible stuff, clothes, cars, watches, and starve the invisible engine. It's the single most expensive mistake a broke guy can make. If you're 23 and listening to this in your car after a shift, tired, wondering if any of these habits can actually change anything, this next part is the whole point. Pay attention. Here's the pattern under all 8. Every single one is boring. Boring on purpose. Boring is the whole feature. Because the guy in the first 30 seconds of this, the one with 80,000 invested and no debt, didn't do anything clever. He didn't pick a stock. He didn't build an app. He didn't get lucky. He paid himself first, kept his lifestyle flat through 3 raises, ran 1 money hour a month, killed the leaks, bought assets, not certificates, never cut health, tools, or real education. And he did it every single month for 10 years without stopping. Every one of these habits does almost nothing this week. Almost nothing next month either. They look like they're not working. Right up until the month, somewhere around year 4 or year 5, when you look at your account and realize you have more money than most of the guys you used to envy. That is the whole trick. Every one of them does everything over a decade, nothing over a week. That gap is the reason most guys never make it. Here's the 30-day starter. Pick 3. Not 8, 3. Whichever 3 feel most doable to you right now this week. If you're broke and living paycheck to paycheck, start with 1, 4, and 6. Pay yourself first at 1%, 1 money hour, and kill 1 recurring bill. If you already have some income and want to accelerate, pick 3, 5, and 7. No lifestyle inflation, the 3 accounts set up and buying assets. Run only your 3 for 1 full month. Don't touch the others. When your 3 feel automatic, when you barely think about them, add a 4th, then a 5th. Come back to this a year from now and you'll already be the guy in the first 30 seconds. Not because you tried harder than anyone else, because you stopped chasing exciting and started doing boring 1 habit at a time until it added up to a life nobody can take away from you. If this one hit, subscribe. I put one of these out every week.